cappuccino Cincau. Ingredients: 1 pack of cappuccino powder, some slice of grass jelly, 1 pack of white condensed milk, 1 pack of chocolate condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 80 milliliters of cold water, and some ice cubes. Tools: blender, bottle, spoon, and funnel. Prepare a blender. Then pour cappuccino powder, wet condensed milk, sugar, cold water, and ice cubes. Then blend until all ingredients are smooth and well blended. Prepare the bottle. Fill it with chocolate condensed milk and grass jelly. Then pour the blended iced cappuccino into the bottle by using funnel. Iced cappuccino Cincau is ready to be served. Thank you.